How to turn off or disable Windows Defender in your PC. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up these simple steps. So open up your PC and your Windows PC. After that, you may head over to Windows Security. Open it up. And you should be finding an option called Virus and Threat Protection. You may go ahead and look it up. After that, here, you should be finding all of your Virus and Threat Protection on. Otherwise, you can directly head over to your settings and go to Windows Security as well and click on Virus and Threats Protection. And from here, you can go ahead and turn it off. All of the things that you've turned on. Apart from that, you can go to Registry Editor and go to HKey Local Machine. And from there, go to Software. Drop it down. And from Software, you need to look it up the option called Policies. Just go ahead and look it up policies from this section. You need to scroll a bit in order to do so. And once you find policies, drop it down. And from policies, head over to Microsoft. Drop down Microsoft as well and go over to Windows Defender, the one we are looking for. After that, right click on this blank space, click on New and create the word 32-bit value. After that is done, you need to go ahead and basically type in disable anti-spyware. Go ahead and type in that. And after typing in, you may just go ahead and click on it. And you need to make the value data 1 and click on OK. And that's it. That is how you basically do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you on the next one.